Good day, mates. Today on Love Learning with ET, we're diving into Chapter 1 of Class 10 NCERT Geography, Resource and Development. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of resources, their types, and sustainable development practices. From natural resources to human-made ones, we'll uncover the importance of striking a balance for a brighter future. So, grab your textbooks and let's embark on this educational journey together. Let's get started.
In our world, anything that can meet our needs, be it through technology, affordability, and cultural acceptance, is a resource. From the water we drink to the air we breathe, resources surround us. Whether it's renewable energy sources or natural materials for shelter, these elements play a vital role in our lives. Understanding and utilizing these resources wisely is key to a sustainable future. So, let's embrace the abundance around us and make the most of what our environment offers.
I believe that the transformation of our environment involves a dynamic interplay between nature, technology, and institutions. We, as human beings, interact with nature through technology, shaping resources through our actions. Resources are not merely gifts of nature, they are products of human activity. We are the driving force behind the conversion of materials into valuable resources that fuel our economic development. Remember, we are not just consumers of resources, we are the creators and transformers of them. Resources come in different forms and classifications. They can be biotic or abiotic based on their origin, renewable or non-renewable depending on exhaustibility, and owned by individuals, communities, nations, or internationally. Furthermore, resources can be categorized as potential, developed stock, or reserves based on their status of development. Understanding these classifications helps us manage and sustain our resources for the future. So, let's make wise choices to ensure a balanced and sustainable use of our precious resources.
Resources are the backbone of our existence, essential for our survival and well-being. But the misconception that they are unlimited has led to their reckless exploitation. Greed has driven the depletion of resources, widening the gap between the haves and have-nots. This imbalance has fractured our society. The consequences are dire global warming, ozone layer depletion, pollution, and land degradation. It's time to rethink our approach and strive for sustainable resource management before it's too late.
In today's world, ensuring an equitable distribution of resources is crucial for our quality of life and global peace. If we allow a few to deplete resources at the expense of many, we jeopardize the future of our planet. Resource planning is key for the sustainable existence of all life forms. Remember, sustainable existence is a fundamental aspect of sustainable development. Let's work together to secure a better future for all.
Sustainable economic development is the key to a thriving future. It means we can grow without harming our environment, ensuring a better world for generations to come. By making smart choices today, we can create a prosperous tomorrow for everyone. Let's build a sustainable future together, where progress and preservation go hand in hand.
Good day, mates. In June 1992, Rio de Janeiro hosted the groundbreaking Earth Summit, where over 100 world leaders came together to tackle environmental and developmental challenges. They signed key agreements like the Declaration on Global Climatic Change and Biological Diversity, setting the stage for sustainable development with initiatives like Agenda 21. This historic event marked a pivotal moment in global cooperation for a greener and more prosperous future. Cheers to progress.
Agenda 21, signed in 1992, is a global initiative for sustainable development. It's all about combating environmental damage, poverty, and disease through worldwide cooperation. One key goal: every local government creating its own Agenda 21. Let's work together for a better future.
Resource planning is like a puzzle, especially in a diverse country like India. Some regions have plenty, while others struggle. It's all about balancing the scales to ensure everyone has what they need. From self-sufficient areas to those in dire need, strategic planning is key. Let's unlock the potential of every corner, making sure no resource goes to waste. It's a challenge, but with the right plan, we can create a more balanced and prosperous future for all.
Resource planning is no walk in the park, mate. It's a complex dance of identifying, mapping, and estimating resources across our beautiful country. Then, we need the right tech, skills, and structures to bring those plans to life. And let's not forget, it's all about aligning these resource plans with our national development goals. It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle, but with the future of our nation at stake. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get planning, because the future is counting on us.
India's journey towards resource planning began with the first 5-year plan post-independence. While resources are vital for development, technology and institutions play a crucial role too. Surprisingly, some resource-rich regions lag economically, while resource-poor areas thrive. It's a reminder that true progress stems from a harmonious blend of resources, technology, and institutions. A balance that propels nations forward. Let's learn from this dynamic interplay for a brighter future. Resource conservation is not just a buzzword, it's a crucial necessity for our planet's well-being. As Gandhiji wisely said, there is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. We must shift our focus from mass production to production by the masses to ensure sustainable development. Let's remember, our actions today shape the world for tomorrow. It's time to embrace responsible consumption and preserve our precious resources for future generations.
Throughout history, the allure of rich resources in colonies has driven foreign invaders. It was the advanced technology of colonizing nations that enabled them to exploit these resources and assert dominance. In India, the story of colonization underscores the importance of technological development and institutional changes in resource utilization. Development here hinges not only on resource availability but also on technology, human capital, and historical context. It's a complex tapestry where progress intertwines with the past, shaping the path to a brighter future. In 1968, the Club of Rome kick-started the global conversation on resource conservation. Then in 1974, Schumacher brought back Gandhian philosophy in "Small is Beautiful." The game changer came in 1987 with the Brundtland Commission report introducing sustainable development. Fast forward to 1992, at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro, where global leaders united for our common future. These milestones shaped our path towards a more sustainable world. In 1968, the Club of Rome kick-started the global conversation on resource conservation. Then in 1974, Schumacher brought back Gandhian philosophy in "Small is Beautiful." The game changer came in 1987 with the Brundtland Commission report introducing sustainable development. Fast forward to 1992, at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro, where global leaders united for our common future. These milestones shaped our path towards a more sustainable world. Land, a vital natural resource that sustains life and fuels our economy. In India, we are blessed with diverse terrains, from fertile plains supporting agriculture to majestic mountains ensuring river flow. Plateaus rich in minerals and forests. With careful planning, we harness the potential of our land for agriculture, industry, tourism, and ecological balance. Let's cherish and protect this finite asset for generations to come.
G'day mates! Did you know that India boasts a diverse landscape, from majestic mountains to vast plains and rich plateaus? With 43% of the land being plains, perfect for agriculture and industry, and 30% covered by mountains ensuring perennial rivers and tourism opportunities, it's a land of contrasts. The Plateau region, covering 27% of the country, is a treasure trove of minerals, fossil fuels, and lush forests. India truly is a land of natural wonders waiting to be explored.
Land utilization is a crucial aspect of our environment. From lush forests to barren wastelands, every piece of land serves a purpose. Whether it's for agriculture, buildings, or roads, land not available for cultivation plays a vital role in our daily lives. Let's not forget about the uncultivated lands like pastures, grazing lands, and miscellaneous tree crops groves. Each type of land contributes to the ecosystem in its unique way. So, next time you see a piece of land, remember, it's more than just dirt and grass. It's a part of our interconnected world.
G'day mates! Let's talk about fallow lands. Current fallow is left uncultivated for 1 agricultural year, while other than current fallow stays untouched for 1 to 5 years. The net sown area is where crops are planted and harvested. When you add the area sown more than once to the net sown area, you get the gross cropped area. It's all about maximizing our land use for a fruitful harvest. Cheers to sustainable farming practices. G'day mates. Let's talk about fallow lands. Current fallow is left uncultivated for 1 agricultural year, while other than current fallow stays untouched for 1 to 5 years. The net sown area is where crops are planted and harvested. When you add the area sown more than once to the net sown area, you get the gross cropped area. It's all about maximizing our land use for a fruitful harvest. Cheers to sustainable farming practices. Land use in India is like a complex puzzle, with pieces shaped by nature and humanity. From the towering Himalayas to the vast plains of the Ganges, our land is a canvas painted by physical and human factors. Topography, climate, soil types, population density, technology, culture all play a part in shaping how we utilize our precious land. It's a delicate dance between tradition and innovation, between sustainability and progress. So next time you see a patchwork of fields or a bustling cityscape, remember, it's not just land, it's a reflection of who we are and where we are headed. G'day mates. With the decrease in permanent pasture land, feeding our massive cattle population is a challenge. The poor quality, or high cultivation costs of other lands mean they are only used once every few years. This affects our net sown area, with Punjab and Haryana leading at over 80%, while states like Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram are below 10%. Balancing land use is crucial for sustainable agriculture down under. Maintaining our forests is crucial for ecological balance and the livelihood of millions. Sadly, our forest area falls far below the desired 33% outlined in the National Forest Policy of 1952. Land degradation from continuous misuse poses serious threats to society and the environment. Let's work together to conserve and manage our land for a sustainable future.
Sharing our land with past and future generations is crucial. 95% of our basic needs come from the land. However, human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, and mining are causing severe land degradation. We must take action now to conserve our land for a sustainable future. Let's protect our land for the generations to come.
Land degradation is a pressing issue in various states across India. From abandoned mining sites in Jharkhand to overgrazing in Gujarat, the scars on our land are evident. Deforestation in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha, overgrazing in Rajasthan and Maharashtra, and overirrigation in Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh are all contributing factors. These activities lead to deep scars, soil salinity, and waterlogging, impacting our environment. It's time we take action to preserve our land for future generations.
Land degradation is a serious issue, but fear not, mates. We've got solutions up our sleeves. From afforestation to managing grazing, we are on it. Planting shelter belts, controlling overgrazing, and stabilizing sand dunes with thorny bushes are key in arid areas. Wasteland management, monitoring mining activities, and proper disposal of industrial waste are crucial in urban spots. Let's work together to protect our land and water, one step at a time. Cheers to a greener future.
Good day, mates. Did you know that soil is the most vital renewable natural resource on our planet? It's not just dirt, it's a living system that takes millions of years to form. Factors like relief, climate, and time play a crucial role in its creation. From the actions of water and wind to the activities of decomposers, nature's forces shape our soil. With a mix of organic humus and inorganic materials, soil supports plant growth and sustains life. So next time you step outside, remember, beneath your feet lies a world of wonder and importance. Good day, mates. Did you know that India boasts a diverse range of soils thanks to its unique geography and climate? From the fertile alluvial soils of the Indo-Gangetic Plains to the red and yellow soils of the Deccan Plateau, each region tells a story of its own. These soils play a crucial role in supporting agriculture and sustaining livelihoods across the country. So next time you dig into that delicious Indian meal, remember, it all starts with the soil beneath our feet. Cheers!
Alluvial soils, the backbone of our lands. Stretching across the northern plains, these soils are a gift from the mighty Himalayan rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. They nurture our crops in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and the eastern coastal plains, embracing deltas of the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri rivers. Rich in nutrients, they are the lifeblood of our agriculture, shaping our landscapes and sustaining our livelihoods. Alluvial soil, a fascinating blend of sand, silt, and clay, varies in composition as we journey inland towards river valleys. Notice how the soil particles grow in size closer to the river. In the upper reaches, near the break of slope, the soils become coarser. These unique soils are prevalent in Piedmont plains like Duars, Chas, and Terai. Nature's intricate tapestry at play, shaping our landscapes in remarkable ways.
Good day, mates. Did you know that soils are not just about their size, but also their age? Alluvial soils can be classified as Old Alluvial, Bangar, and New Alluvial, Kedar. Bangar soil, with its higher canker nodules concentration, is more fertile than Kedar soil. It's all about those fine particles, folks. So next time you're out in the Aussie outback, remember, the age of the soil matters just as much as its size. Cheers! Good day, mates. Black soil, also known as Regur soil, is a rich, dark soil perfect for growing cotton. Formed from lava flows in the Deccan Trap region, these soils are found in areas like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. The unique combination of climate and parent rock material creates this fertile ground. So next time you see those black cotton fields, remember the fascinating story behind them.
Alluvial soils are a farmer's dream come true, packed with potash, phosphoric acid, and lime. These soils are a powerhouse for crops like sugarcane, paddy, wheat, and more. Their high fertility makes them a hotspot for cultivation and living. Even in drier areas, with a little TLC and irrigation, these alkaline soils can flourish. It's like nature's own recipe for success.
Black soils, mate, they are the real deal. Made up of superfine clay, these bad boys can hold moisture like no other. And get this, they are packed with all the good stuff: calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. It's like a nutrient party down there. So, if you want your plants to thrive, these black soils are where it's at. Trust me, your garden will thank you for it. G'day, mates. Black soils might be lacking in phosphoric goodness, but let me tell you, they've got some tricks up their sleeves. When the sun's blazing, these soils crack open, giving us a breath of fresh air. And when it's wet, they turn into sticky messes, a real challenge to work with. But here's the secret: till them right after a shower or before the monsoon hits, and you'll have yourself a smooth ride. So, let's get our hands dirty and make the most of these quirky black soils down under.
Red soil, found in regions with low rainfall on igneous rocks, gets its vibrant hue from iron diffusion. In areas like the Deccan Plateau and parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and the Ganga Plain, these soils also appear yellow when hydrated. The geological magic behind this color transformation is fascinating, as iron plays a key role in creating these stunning landscapes. From the Western Ghats to the heart of India, these soils tell a colorful tale of nature's artistry. Laterite soil, derived from the Latin word later, meaning brick, thrives in tropical climates with heavy rain. These deep, acidic soils are nutrient deficient and found in regions like Maharashtra, Odisha, and the Western Ghats. Supporting lush forests in some areas, they turn humus-rich, but in arid environments, they become humus-poor. Prone to erosion, these soils benefit from soil conservation techniques, making them ideal for tea and coffee cultivation in hilly regions of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Red laterite soils in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala are perfect for cashew nut crops. Embrace the unique characteristics of laterite soil for successful agriculture.
In the world of arid soils, colors range from red to brown, textures lean sandy, and saltiness prevails. High salt content can yield common salt through water evaporation. With dry climates and high temperatures, evaporation speeds up, leaving soil lacking humus and moisture. Canker, rich in calcium, occupies lower horizons, hindering water infiltration. But with proper irrigation, these soils in western Rajasthan transform into fertile grounds, ready for cultivation. Forest soils. Oh, they're like a hidden treasure in the mountains. Picture this: loamy and silty on valley sides, coarse-grained on upper slopes. But wait, in the snowy Himalayas, they face denudation, becoming acidic with low humus. Down in the valleys, river terraces boast fertile soils. It's a soil story full of texture and adventure, from the peaks to the plains. So, next time you wander through the hills, remember, beneath your feet lies a world of forest soils waiting to be discovered.
Good day, mates. Let's talk about soil erosion and conservation. When the soil cover gets washed away, that's soil erosion. It happens naturally, but human activities like deforestation can upset the balance. Water, wind, and glacier also play a role. Picture this: running water carving deep gullies through clayey soils. It's a delicate dance between formation and erosion. So, let's tread lightly on this beautiful land down under.
G'day, mates. Let's talk about how our land can turn into bad land, known as ravines in the Chambal Basin. When water flows over a slope, it causes sheet erosion, washing away the topsoil. Wind erosion occurs when loose soil is blown off flat or sloping land. And guess what? Defective farming methods like plowing up and down slopes create channels for water flow, leading to soil erosion. So, let's be mindful of how we treat our land to keep it healthy and fertile. Cheers! G'day, mates. Did you know that plowing along contour lines can slow down water flow on slopes? It's called contour plowing. And cutting steps on slopes creates terraces, reducing erosion. In the western and central Himalayas, they've mastered terrace farming. By dividing fields into strips and leaving grass between crops, wind force is broken up in strip cropping. And planting trees in rows as shelter belts helps stabilize sand dunes and deserts. So, let's plow smart and protect our land down under. G'day, mates. Learning with ET here. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we dive deep into the world of quantum physics, unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Remember, knowledge is power, so hit that like button, smash subscribe, and spread the love by sharing this video. Stay curious, stay awesome. Cheers!